Here's a video to show you how to create your pie charts from your data, questionnaire survey data. So this would be where this is Google Forms, your questionnaire. I made up some data just to show you how to use this. So in this example, I have the questions: what is your sex? Do you use social media? Do you rely on social media to maintain friendships? And do you creep on people you don't know? I created different types of questions here. This is multiple choice. This is linear scale, so that you could see how they would actually be represented in Google Sheets, and what you need to do with the information, the data, because they come in differently into Sheets. So what I did was I simply created some fake data so I could show you how to use them. You will need to download and install Google Slides if you don't have that. I didn't, so I had to download it and install it. So if you go back here, if we want to do a pie chart of percentage of males and females in the sample, you just highlight those cells and click Insert Chart, and there it is. So I want to do Control C to copy this, and then go to Google Slides, click in this slide, hit Control V. Want to paste it unlinked, click Paste, and there it is. Change the side by clicking and holding and dragging the corner. Add a title for this slide, and then click on text box to change the size of this box. All right. So that's that's the whole sample. You can add the numbers in here if you want to, instead of just percentages. Let's go back here, and now we want to delete this box. And I could do one pie chart of this. You could, but I think it's better to sort by males and females. By the way, if we go back and look at these questions. So, do you rely on social media and maintain friendships? This was multiple choice. This came in as text. But this question, do you creep on people you don't know, actually came in as numbers. When you open this file up in Sheets, this is text, but this one opens up as numbers. So I had added this column, right? Because you can do a pie chart of these categorical text answers. Insert chart. You can do a bar chart, or if you come over here, change that to a pie chart, and there it is. It's got neutral, agree, so strongly agree, disagree, neutral, strongly agree. So you can do that. But if you try to do a pie chart of this information, and if we do a pie chart, that's not right. So we would need to delete this. And if you have data that come in as numbers, then you simply need to create a new column and type in the labels. All right, so strongly disagree, strongly disagree, strongly disagree, etc., etc. Disagree, and you know what to label them because you've got the anchors here: strongly disagree, strongly agree. So 5 is strongly agree. So you just type in text labels for the corresponding numbers. Now what we can do is highlight those cells, insert chart. And if we go here to do a pie chart, then it's in a visual format that makes sense. So we can just do Control Copy. And we can put that here. Control V. But this is the whole sample, right? So I think it's better to actually separate these by males and females. So in order to do that, I want to sort the sheet. So I highlight this column, click on Data, sort sheet by column B. And there we go, females and males. Now it's sorted all of these cells. So now we know that these responses, do you use social media, are what these females said. So I can highlight these cells, click on Insert Chart. There's the yeses and nos. And I can just do Copy, Control C, go to the Google Slides, Control V. There it is. Now I want to put both males and females on this slide. So let's remember that yes is red. Okay. Go back here and delete this. Now highlight just the male cells. Insert chart, pie chart, and so now red is no. So I want to change that. So I click on this section and I want to make that blue. Now I want to click on this section and make that red. Alright, so now yes is red, because yes is red here. Okay, so now just do click on this and Control C, click on this slide, Control V, paste it in there. So this is males. So you want to make the titles, or you can do move it up here, females, males, and or you can do text box below it for captions. Another text box here. Whoops. Wow, inverted that. Okay, do it either way. And then also you want to add a text box. Explain the data relying on explain these data relying on journal references. Alright, so then remember that you can't use numbers, but these are sorted. So now I can do females. Do you rely on social media? Insert. Oops, I want to insert slides first. So now go back here. Do you rely on social media? What female said? Insert chart. I want to do pie chart. And Control copy, Control C. Go here. I want to get rid of these boxes. Control V, paste unlinked. All right, now these colors may be a problem. If I do the next one, get rid of this. Now I want to do just for males. Insert chart, pie chart. I don't even know what they were. Just do Control copy, Control V. And of course they're not the same. So you'll have to change the colors. And you want to change them in here. So it's a little busy work, but that's how you do your presentation. That's enough to watch. Let me know if you have questions. You can come see me individually, as a group, and we can work on it.